All right, well, welcome to week 4 of Advisory Academy. This is our 8th grade problem for the week. Teachers, if you can, pause the video and have each student read this to themselves. All right, now that you all have read it to yourselves, teacher, the 3 students have been volunteered to read this problem out loud. All right, and now that you guys have read this problem out loud, I'm going to read it out loud to get myself together. And it reads, a company sold a total of 150 adult and child tickets to a fundraiser. The company charged $10 for each adult ticket and $6 for each child ticket. Which equation represents the relationship between the number of adult tickets sold, X, and the total amount, Y, in dollars raised from the sale of the tickets? All right? If you haven't already, go ahead and pause this video. Have students underline important words, circle important numbers. Teachers do a lap. See what they did, come back, and we will see what I do, I guess. All right, pause the video. And we're back, so I'm gonna do it. A company sold a total of 150 adult and child tickets to a fundraiser. The company charged $10 for each adult ticket and $6 for each child's ticket. Which equation represents the relationship between the number of adult tickets sold, X, okay, number of tickets, price of tickets, we'll get to that in a second, and the total amount, Y, in dollars raised from the tickets? All right, pause the video, see what else people came up with, talk about it. And now that you've talked about it, let's talk about how to find the answer, or at least how I would go about finding this answer. All right, so let's use what we know to find what we don't know. So what I know is that the company charged $10 for adult tickets, and X represents the number of adult tickets. So I'm looking for a relationship between 10 and X. I know if I buy 1 ticket, that's going to be $10. I know if I buy 2 tickets, adult tickets, it's going to be $20. If I buy 5 adult tickets, that's going to be, that's right, hopefully you got that, it'll be $50. How are we getting these numbers? Hopefully somebody in the room, you, maybe even you, said multiply. So I'm looking for an equation that multiplies 10 and X together. So let's see, letter A is multiplying 10 times Y. I am going to get rid of that. Letter B is multiplying 10 times X, so I'll keep that. And letter C, over here I see a 10 times something going on, but I see 6 times X. 6 is the price for the child tickets, and X is the price, is the number of adult tickets, so I'm also going to eliminate that. All right. Now it's time to get down to it. As I continue looking, I see that Y represents what? The total amount in dollars. If I'm looking for the total amount in dollars, I need to know how much money I spent on adult tickets. I need to know how much money I spent on child tickets, and then add those two together. And those two numbers together will give me Y. If I look here, this is multiplying 6 times Y. What does 6 represent? 6 is the price of the child ticket, and Y is not the number of child tickets. So I'm going to go ahead and eliminate B, which leaves me with D. Sometimes in these tests, you just got to have test-taking strategies. All right? Yeah.